BJPचो आमदार वास्कोचो कार्लूस आल्मेदा हांकां एक आयज सकाळी फुडें मायनर स्ट्रोक आयलो and he was immediately rushed to hospital today morning. He is totally stable, under observation and immediate जे necessary treatment जाय आशिल्लें तेही treatment चालू आसा and is totally out of danger, is well.
सकाळी कितल्यांक सुमार हाडलो
सकाळी हांगा तो म्हाका दिसता 9:45 पर्यंत हांगा पावला.
केन्ना कितें जालें खबर आहा तुमकां घरा कडल्यान खंय पावलो?
अरावंड 8:15 ताका मातशें थोडेशें अस्वस्थ दिसपाक लागलें म्हणून इमिजिएटली ताका हॉस्पिटलांत व्हेलो थंय लोकलीच आनी थंयच्यान इमिजिएटली हांगा रेफर केलो आनी फॉर्च्युनेटली ही वॉज वेल इन टायम. हे आतां एज पर द सायन्स यू हॅव टू बी इन टायम फॉर द इमिजिएट ट्रिटमेंट टू स्टार्ट and he was very lucky that way. He has come to hospital in the right time and the right treatment has been started. GMC doctors are all here.
He was admitted there?
No.
Directly.
Yeah. Thank you.